Hi, my name is Kevin Scott, and I want to inform you about a venture that could change both of our lives. As a fashion design major, clothes are kind of a big deal to me. Well, at least staying up to date or fresh has its own challenges. While I was a sophomore, I didn't have the money to cash out on new clothing as I wanted. So as soon as I learned about dyeing techniques in my fibers class, it had dawned on me. I can dye my older clothes to give them a new life. And as I wore my creations around campus, my friends and even strangers were giving me compliments and even asking for their own creations. So as soon as I realized I can make money with this, I ran and took off with it. So this is what brings me here today. I would like an investment of $6,000 to fund the Scott Dye Studios, where you can not only give life to clothing that you love, but just never wear anymore. I know you might be thinking, why should we fund this young man in something that we could do in our own free time at home? The difference is that we teach tie-dyeing techniques from around the globe, shibori indigo dyeing from Japan, batik wax dyeing from India. We even teach special country cloth dyeing from Africa. And I guarantee you won't find a program like that anywhere else. Scott Dye Studios not only helps you with your style, but we also help the environment. The fashion industry, or fast fashion, is the second largest polluter in the world. We try our part in helping by giving secondhand clothes a second chance. It took about 5,000 gallons of water to produce that shirt right on your back. And what are you going to do after a few wears? Throw it away. So why not come here and give that shirt a second life at Scott Dye Studios? Thank you. I'm Kevin Scott. Have a nice day.